This down. You like me?
I got sneeze.
Yeah, she had like me. Liar sneeze. That shit crazy. Sneeze twice. Double lie. I got this. So got. She had like me, right? She tried to push up. I'm shooting her down. She don't like that. So she done blocked me on Facebook as a kid. When we was little. She done blocked me on the bus. I know what, we really ain't talk for a minute. We ain't talk for a minute.
Let me tell the truth.
The truth. Bless you. Bless you. You hear that bit? Whoa. Oh.
Okay, anyways, he was stuff that I was on. So boom, after that, I blocked him on Facebook for a really long time.
Yo, I had
Always cuss every time.
The whole life.
So look, that went on for a little bit. Hold up.
What you finna say? Uh-oh.
So after that,
That's kind of something, I guess.
Susie has a habit of sneezing.
Flowers, pollen, this makes me sneeze. What's our plan then?
And I've got a box full of injury stuff. Like, by injury stuff I mean sorry sorry again. Here I've got like